Hey guys, so I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on how I'm going to wear my makeup for today. I've already done my eyebrows, so what I'm going to do is prime my eyelid using my Ruby Kisses primer. You can buy this at the beauty supply store. Just going to rub that in all over my eye, even underneath. And eye primer just gives your eyeshadow something to stick to, adhere to, so it will not crease. And I am going to put a base on top of that, which is going to mimic the color that I'm going to use for my eyeshadow. I'm going to use Painterly Paint Pot by MAC. And I'm also applying that with my fingers. Every now and then I will apply this with a brush. And I'm going to use it underneath as well. Okay. I'm going to take I'm going to be using, for my transition color, I'm going to use my Lorac Pro palette. But if you have like a color that's like your skin tone color, I'm going to use Taupe from here because that's closest to my skin tone from this palette here. And what I'm going to do is just take a blending brush, and this is actually a blending brush from e.l.f. and this, you can purchase this $1 at Target or the Dollar Tree. They actually sell e.l.f. brushes. So I'm just going to take that, and that's going to be my transition color. Okay. So next I'm going to take a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to get a damp towel, and I'm just going to just hold it like that. And the color that I'm going to apply, which I just dropped my brush, 1 second. That wasn't cute at all. I'm going to take my BH Party Girl palette, and the color that I'm going to use, because I do want a little color on my eye, is I'm going to use, there's like this goldish rust color right here. I'm going to use that, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid. And I'm going to bring that up some, like that, into my crease area. Just a little. I am going to go back and blend that with my transition color as well. So I'm going to take my blending brush again, and I'm not going to apply any product on here, but I'm just going to blend. Like that. Okay, so the color that I'm going to use for my crease and my outer V area is just going to be a dark brown wine color. That's to give my eye socket, my outer V some depth. So I'm going to use a different brush for that, and the brush I'm going to use is another blending brush by e.l.f. and this one, as you can tell, have been through the ringer, and the color that I'm going to use is going to be this color right there on the Party Girl palette. There. And what I'm going to do is concentrate that right in that area. And I'm just going to blend. I'm not taking that all the way into my crease area, in the inner corner of my eye, near the tear duct area. I'm just doing that like on right there. And I'm going to do the same for this side. So I'm going to go back with my blending brush and applying no product, and I'm just going to blend that out. Like so. going to do is take a little of the black from the Lorac Pro palette, just a little, not much. I'm just going to dab the brush, just dab it, and I'm going to put it right there. I'm going to do the same for the other eye. Just dab it and blend it in. And I'm going to go back with my blending brush. So. Then I'm going to take a flat another flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to use from my Party Girl palette, I'm going to use this color right here. Then I'm going to take my Great Lash, Okay, so that's my eyeshadow look. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face, conceal, do my a light foundation, and I'll come back and show you guys the finished look. Okay. Okay, so I finished my face. What I did was I used my MAC NC45 concealer to cover my blemishes. I used my Clinique. This is, I just put some in here, but the Clinique Even Better foundation. This is what I travel with, the size I travel with sometimes. Put that over my face. I used my Mineralized Skin Finish in Medium Deep to set my powder. My blush is my Lovejoy, which has become my favorite blush of all times. And to highlight my cheekbone area, I use my Wet n Wild Fergie this from the Center Stage collection. This is Rosé Champagne Glow. And my lip liner is Cork by MAC. And the lipstick that I use on top of that is from Rimmel. It's from the Kate collection, and this is number 12. And it's like a rust orange color. And I am going to put like just a little gloss on top of that. But this is my finished look, guys, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. And I hope to bring more makeup tutorials to you guys in the future. So I will see you on my next video. Bye.